Hi guys. If you're anything like me, you probably didn't get into messing about with all this wood to actually go and sell things. Certainly when I started, I had no idea how expensive this little hobby was going to end up being. Some of these tools, even when you buy them on sale or second hand, it all adds up to quite a tidy little sum. So I thought it's about time I started making some stuff and selling it to try and get these things paying for themselves and giving a little bit back to the workshop. So I had a great find lately at a local wood merchant that we were having a bit of a closing down sale. I got a load of different hardwoods for next to nothing, sort of deal you can't really turn down. So I've looked at making some stuff to see if I can sell, to see can I actually make this workshop start paying for itself.
So the first job is to break this piece down. This is the biggest bit of hardwood I've worked with, so this could get really interesting. It measures 2 meters long, 9 inches wide and 2 inches thick, and it's about straight as a bloody banana. Right, that's the planing all done. The sun's finally out, so it's onto the driveway to chop this piece down a bit. I'm going to cut it to the thickness of my birch scraps, as they're about the right size for a chopping board. So this is what I'm left with, 6 really nice thick strips, plenty of width on it. What I think I'm going to do though, I'm going to put these 3 together, take these 3 over here, my birch scraps in, and I think I'll have this one as a bit of a charcuterie board and this one as a traditional chopping board. I can finally breathe easy now that the hard graft's done. I've added a piece of walnut onto the chopping board to beef it out a bit, as it looks a little bit skinny. We're anything but skinny around this place. Now it's on to the finishing. And with a quick polish up, and before you know it, I've got 2 boards. A nice chopping board and a nice charcuterie board. But that's not going to be enough, is it? So let's see how many others I can get made up in time. So I'm all ready now. It's time to do my first market. Never done one before, always shied away, but it's a real small local one. We'll see how we get on. Got a couple of other bits to take with me. Got this coffee table that I made off camera. Of course got the charcuterie board I just finished. And a couple of other ones with different designs. A little
tea light candle holders, lots of different things in lots of different price ranges. Hopefully that should attract a little bit of business. So cost wise, we're looking at about a £50 outlay. I'm quite happy with that for the price of wood. That includes some of the scraps as well from previous projects, but doesn't include the £20 I spent for the legs on the coffee table. But I'm quite confident overall I should get that money back. This is my first time doing any sort of market. Anything like this where I've put myself out there trying to sell me stuff. I won't lie, I've put it off out of nerves, but it's time to give this a go and start making some of these tools pay for themselves. Let's see how we get on there. I'm back now from the market. I'm happy to say I managed to sell 5 things, so I've made my money back on what my outlays were. I've still got my coffee table and I've still got 15 items to sell. I'll be sticking them on Facebook Marketplace, trying to attract anyone who needs a last minute Christmas bargain. But other than that, I'm quite happy with how it's gone. And I'll certainly be going back and doing a lot more, probably some bigger ones as well. Hopefully, like I say, in no time, we can have some new tools in this place. Thanks for watching.